Hello, future champions. Welcome to the N8N AI Champions Network. Let's be honest, AI is coming for your job. Someone who knows AI will either replace you in your current job right now or in your next job in the future. In 2025 alone, over 77,000 jobs were replaced by AI at companies like Microsoft and IBM. Experts say up to 300 million jobs could disappear globally. But here is what most people miss. The AI industry is exploding. It's becoming a multi-trillion-dollar economy, creating massive new opportunities for those who act right now. If you're looking for a real community of people actually using AI to grow careers, automate businesses, and save time with smart workflows, this is it. Inside this community, I'll show you how to use tools like ChatGPT and master prompting to work smarter, automate daily tasks and internal processes with N8N that boost productivity, and you won't be doing it alone. I built this free Skool community for people just like you. Here is what you'll get inside. Step-by-step tutorials, copy-paste automation templates, like Q&A, challenges, a network of builders to support you and grow with you. Whether you're just starting or scaling, this is your space to learn, build, and stay ahead of the curve. So if you're ready to automate smarter, grow faster, and future-proof your skills, click the link and join us inside the N8N AI Champions Network. The AI revolution is already here. The only question is, are you building with it or getting replaced by it?